Hello everyone. So today I want to show you that I created like basically a Gmail summarizer in like literally like half day. So basically this is like an autonomous agent that scrap my email and check for like news and provide me a summary. So let's run it. So how it works? So it basically ran a Llama LLM on my laptop, which is connected to my Gmail, and yeah, check for my email and provide some services. Okay, so other things that I've been able to connect is like the calendar. So after basically authorizing this account, okay, now I can see the calendar. I can interact with that. Okay, this is like a test Gmail. So as you can see, there is not much here, but it's working. That's the important part. And then I can refresh the email. Um, and when I refresh the email, I basically call the API of Google, of Gmail, and then I scrape for the last 72 hours email. And then these content are going to be feed like in an LLM, which is like, Llama 3.2 in this case. But I've been told DeepSeek R1 is just out there and can't wait to implement that. And what it does is like, checking my emails, the last 3 day emails, and then provide summary, okay, for each and every one of them with actionable items if there are, okay. Another cool things is like I can, for example, here I can say, hey, this email is important, or delete this email straight away. So it's kind of like a Gmail summarizer that, I don't know, I'm thinking that it can be very, very helpful for many, many reasons. Let's say I got like, many appointments, many meetings with many information coming from different people. What I can do is basically automate like, the flow and say like, when something happened, check it there. Or let's say if I got a meeting in 3 hours, I got a notification that say, hey, have you prepared for this and this and that? And this kind of reasoning is embedded in the system. It's not something that I have to remind the system to do that. To like, remind me to prepare for like, the next like, project catch up, or if I've done something in time, and like, keeping piece of things. So I think this is great. So yeah, that's my video. I build like, a Gmail summarizer, the auto refresh every hour, connected to the calendar, create amazing things with no time. This is the era that we live in. I believe it's an era of abundance. If we use that in the right way, we can create a lot of good stuff, okay? And perhaps we can fix most of the things that we don't like about like our life, business wise, or our lifestyle. So here we go. This is like a very simple things. I needed something that helped me with the email, and like now just implementing that. So that's everything for my side. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more, just like drop me a line, give me a buzz. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.